Leave the window open, my bones do shake. I won't wait for you. It's middle of the night, but the street lights keep me awake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. And today I will be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. This is like an updated eyebrow routine video as well as a really quick and easy neon eyeshadow look. Before I jump into that tutorial, I do want to share with you guys my new beauty refrigerator. I am so obsessed with this beauty refrigerator. So I got this refrigerator from NewAir, and I'll have all of their information down below in the description box for you guys to click on. So don't forget to check down below for more information. I'm completely obsessed, and I have everything from skincare products, hair care products to makeup in this refrigerator. Now, all of my beauty products, my DIY products are all in one place. This refrigerator has a temperature control at the top and an on-off switch next to it, and I love the beautiful blue LED light at the top of it so that when the refrigerator is closed, it does look really cool and really sleek, and I'm just so obsessed with this refrigerator, as you can tell. I keep all of my liquid makeup and my hair masks in this refrigerator to preserve them, and I also love the cooling sensation of applying my moisturizers to my face after getting it from my refrigerator. And I also keep my shaving gel in here too, so when I apply it to my skin, it does create like a cooling sensation, which I really like. This refrigerator is also perfect for storing my primers. So anything that I have that's liquid and makeup related or liquid and hair related, I typically keep in my beauty refrigerator. This beauty refrigerator does also come with a key, so you can store all of your expensive products in here and you don't have to worry about anyone breaking in or anything like that. Okay, so let's jump right into this makeup tutorial. So the first thing that I grab when I am about to do my eyebrows is this angled brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This brush is in the style 7B, and I usually just outline my eyebrows, and I use this to define the hair strokes going upwards. Cannot live without this brush. This is the best angled brush that I have, that I've ever had, and I love it so much. The second thing that I pick up is my number 20 brush, and this is like a flat defining brush. And I basically just carve my eyebrow out using this one. And then I also use like my full cover foundation. This is by Makeup Forever in the shade Fawn. So the actual pomade that I use to fill in my eyebrows is this pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is in the shade Ebony. After I fill in my eyebrows, I do go ahead and I now grab Black Track by MAC, which is a black gel liner, and I basically just add more hair strokes going upwards. This creates dimension in the eyebrows, so it doesn't look super flat and it doesn't look super fake. It gives me different colors of hair strokes, and that makes it look so natural. And yeah, I wouldn't ever fill in my eyebrows with Black Track alone because it will be way too dark for me. But when I do the hair strokes using Black Track, it creates a different look, and I love it so much, and it comes out looking so bomb on pictures too. So I'm just going to grab these products and I am going to fill in my eyebrows. The first thing that I'm going to do is basically just brush all of my hairs upwards, and then I'm going to fill it in using my 7B brush. Okay, so now that we are all done with the brows, I do a lot of neon eye color looks, and I get a lot of questions about that too. So I figured that this video would be perfect to show you guys a quick way to get neon lids. So basically, I swear by this, and I use it with every single neon look that I do. This is my Pure White paint stick. This is by MAC, and it's basically like a white, creamy stick. So I'm going to grab that and a flat defining brush. And typically I would go ahead and darken my crease a little bit, but because I want this video to be quick, I'm just going to show you guys just a quick run through of it. So I'm just going to use that flat defining brush, and I'm going to take some of that white off, and I'm basically just going to define my crease. This flat brush is by MAC also. It's their 212 brush. So now I'm just basically determining the shape that I want. I'm just going to go with a typical shape like this. Now that I have that shape, I'm just going to shade in or fill in my lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, y'all, because you can always go in with the concealer that I used for my eyebrows and clean that line up on the top so that it can be sharp and perfect. What I like most about this product is that it is sticky. So whatever pigment that you're using on top of it has a base to stick to without using glue or anything like that. I typically do this before my foundation because I do not want pink or any type of neon pigment on my foundation. I'm probably going to clean this up a little bit because I don't want it to be so thick on this side, but let me go ahead and do this side first before I do that. Yeah, I want it to be like this. To clean it up, I'm just going to grab a Q-tip and some makeup remover, but I don't want it to be so dramatic. So I'm just going to take some of that thickness away from the other side and get it to be identical to this side. The reason that I am using a white base instead of my typical flesh tone base is that when you're using a neon pigment, it needs something white to really show the color opaquely. If I use my skin tone, I feel like it won't show up as vibrant. So this is the perfect base for the neon pigments that I have been using. I do want to try the P. Louise one though, but it's always sold out in my complexion. So I'm just going to clean up this side and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have that base, I am going to grab my neon pigment. This is from Stargazer, and it is their Eye Dust in the number 208, which is like a really pretty pink neon color. I'm grabbing a flat brush and I'm just going to pack that vibrant neon color onto my base. I love how neon and bright and vibrant this is. And I have all of their colors and I wear it on at least 80% of my videos, especially because it's the summertime. I love bright looks. It's so cute. When I do have bold neon colors like this, of course I wear my own eyelashes from thebeigecollection.com, and I do not do any type of winged eyeliner because I feel like that takes away from the neon color. Do you see how it's attracting only to the white? This is so foolproof because literally anywhere you apply this thing, look, you see how it's not showing up? Well, it's not showing up that much, but it is showing up a little bit. But all you got to do is literally just press it onto here. All right, so now that I am done, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit with a blending brush that's clean, and that's just going to sweep away some of the extra eye dust.
I won't wait for you. It's the middle of the night, but the street lights keep me awake. It's beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai. Ay, ay, ay.